What's up guys, this is the Sports Squad, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to wheelie a BMX bike. So first thing you want to do is find which way you want your foot to go. So I put left foot forward, and then as you're pedaling, you want to put your weight over the handlebars, and as you push this forward, you want to throw your weight back. Once you've thrown your weight back, you want to get used to staying back behind your bike, because every once in a while you'll loop out, and that's when you come up and you fall off the back of your bike. And what you want to do here, if you're going too fast, throw your bike, just run it out or run with your bike. I'll show an example of that right now. One of the key things to keeping your wheelie in the air is going slow, and maybe even feathering your brakes every once in a while when you get too high. So you get down, just don't jam your brakes unless you want to go all the way down. So like I said, you want to keep the pedals slow, because if you pedal too fast, you can't keep yourself up. So I'll show an example of me going really fast with a wheelie and me going really slow with a wheelie. So it's basically one of the situations where slow and steady wins the race, because if you're going slow and you can keep that for a good distance, you'll be going farther. Because if you go fast, basically you'll stop sooner. So a recap of everything: you put your weight over, arms bent, you throw your weight back as you pedal really hard, and then if you want to go back down, you put your make sure you feather the brakes or jump off the bike, throw your bike or run with it. And then keep it slow as you're doing the wheelie, so you can go farther. Because if you go fast, you're gonna stop sooner. It kind of helps out your wheelie a little. Oh my god! Another trick to keeping your wheelie up is grabbing the grips on the inside. A lot of people think grab on the outside, but the more you are on the inside, it's like the more leverage you have of the bars. Because out here you have to turn a lot more. Because if you're turning, it's just little tweaks. So I'm gonna show you guys a really long wheelie right now.